Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I'm standing under the awning of my box truck here. It's kind of rainy. In this video, I'd like to discuss what you can do to increase water flow in your downspouts, in your gutters, and make your gutters work properly. This homeowner here had us here to do some gutter cleaning, and over the phone they mentioned at the back of the house near the deck and the patio, during the winter, the water just cascades over the gutter, over all the doors, and there's a few things that we want to check to make sure that the gutter system is working properly. First thing is to make sure that all the outlets, might have a little bit of oh, there we go. All the outlets on the downspouts are really big and wide. Sometimes when gutter companies make the outlet, they do it as fast and quick as possible, but unfortunately that doesn't give you the most flow needed to make sure that all the water coming off your shingles goes down into the downspout. So I did notice that this property here, that we had the X pattern outlet made, and when you add zip screws to it, it really acts as a catch-all for any debris trying to get down the downspouts. And we also have underground gutter drainage here. So, in order to make sure that the underground drainage system works properly, we want to make sure that there's no debris going down under there. Earlier today, we just got done, like a rotor-rootering all of the debris underground. So, does it make sense for you to letting all of your debris and your gutters go underground in that drain just to clog it up? So what you can do is put a really good gutter screen system on your gutters. No need to get into the debate of which type of gutter screen system to use, but in effect you just want to keep the stuff that lands on your roof and in your gutters out of your gutters and prevent it from going down below. And what that can do is just make sure that your gutter system is working and flowing properly. I didn't find too much debris in the gutter system here at this home, so that means that at some point during the high flow of rain or freezing during the winter, there's some blockage in flow. One suggestion that you can do is before your winter freezes up, is to take your underground drains and put some type of black corrugated drain over the ground, because any water that's trapped underground turns into a giant icicle in the winter. So you can imagine water trying to flow down these downspouts and just getting trapped by this big icicle. So just disassemble this underground drain and connect a 10-foot black corrugated drain to there out into your yard, and that'll allow you have water flowing through your gutters, down your downspouts, out the corrugated drain into your yard. That's a winter solution for you. So I hope these pointers help. Gutter system is about average for this area in the Rockford, Illinois area. They're nailed on with nails. One thing we can do to improve the look of this house is do a gutter whitening solution, and that'll improve the outside look of the gutters, brighten them up, get rid of that oxidation and that gray dinginess. And another thing that you can do to restore the look of your siding is to get it cleaned up with a low pressure detergent based cleaning process, no high pressure. And we can do all of that from the ground all the way up to the gutter line with no ladders, no brushing, no scaffolding, no high pressure. It's all done with our special formulated solution safely from the ground. My name is Eddie. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at 608-999-WASH. Have a great day.